I'm a police officer. My name's Sergeant Terry Burns. It's my badge. It's concerning me that you're filming me, sir. Can you answer any questions for me? Please allow my colleague to do her job. Please allow my colleague to do her job, sir. No. If you're interfering with a police officer in the lawful execution of their duty, I will remind you that that is an offence. Please,
step out of my way.
I'm not in your way. I'm not in your way.
I'm walking.
You are
do not touch me.
You're attempting to interfere.
Do not touch me, and do not block me.
With a police officer.
I'm looking at her thin blue line badge. I'm looking at her thin blue line badge. She shouldn't be wearing it. Tell her to take it off.
I'm not instructing the officer to do that,
Well,
sir.
I will. Take off your badge.
The officer.
Take off your thin blue line badge. It's banned.
Is in lawful execution of her duty.
Don't talk to me. Don't talk to me. I don't want to talk to you.
That is fine.
Okay, so go away now.
I'm instructing you.
No, you're not instructing me anything.
I'm instructing you.
Don't instruct me
that if
nothing.
you interfere,
I'm not talking to her. I'm not talking to her. Have you heard me talk to her?
What today proved is simple but vital. Calm, composed policing makes a real difference. It also showed why auditors shouldn't be dismissed as nuisances, but recognized as an essential check that protects both the public and the police. Small oversights, a missing sign, a lapse in attention, can escalate quickly if no one's paying attention. That MY Know Your Rights guide isn't just for auditors, and it's not just for confrontations. It's for anyone who values clarity over confusion and facts over assumptions, because knowledge and respect aren't opposites, they're partners. Stay informed, use it wisely, and you'll navigate moments like these with confidence.
When have I, don't lie, you're on camera.
It's on your phone,
You're
sir.
right.
You've
and
been talking to my colleague,
No,
sir.
I've been talking.
Yes,
I said
you
tell her to take off the badge.
You've asked me
I asked
when.
you. Tell her to take that badge off. It's against the Met uniform. You shouldn't be wearing it.
Can we ask what you're doing here, though?
Yeah, I'm looking at you taking off. I want you to take that badge off. So that's what you know. What I'm doing. Okay. I'm looking at you and telling you to take that badge off because you are wearing that badge. And I want you to take it off. It's a disgrace. It's a deface the union flag. We'll get in the van and do your job then. I can do what I want. I can do what I want. I can film the building.
It's a bit of concern for us, though, isn't it?
Why? Why? Tell me why. Tell me why.
It's a security risk.
Why? Why?
Police building with people going in and out.
And am I on a public pavement? Am I on a public pavement? Am I in a public pavement? Yes, you said. Yeah. I'm in a public space. So therefore, don't come up to me. Don't walk to me. Do not. And I'm not listening to you. Do not walk to me. I'm on the public pavement filming a building. No, I'm not. You're obstructing it.
They tried to paint the auditor as meddling with a female officer's duties, but the footage tells a very different story. His camera stays fixed squarely on the sergeant. Turning a routine recording into an alleged offense isn't a misunderstanding. It's a tactic, one designed to dodge accountability. And coming from a sergeant, that's frankly embarrassing. Then comes the next reach, branding him a security risk for filming officers walking to and from their vehicles. Logic completely out the window. The auditor calmly reminds them he's on a public sidewalk, perfectly within his rights to record. And the kicker? The sergeant accuses him of obstruction, while his own cruiser door is flung wide open, blocking half the street. You couldn't make it up. It'd be funny if it weren't so concerning.
So close, don't you? You're intimidating me.
I'm not intimidating you, sir.
Section 5.
Oh,
yeah, you're causing me alarm, harassment and distress, okay? I don't care. I do not care. I'm telling you what I'm doing. Tell her to take that badge off. Go on, tell her to take the badge off. The badge is defaced union flag. It shouldn't be on your uniform.
We may seize that phone.
Oh, you won't.
Police and Criminal Evidence
No, you
Act.
won't. No, you won't.
If I think
you won't touch my phone.
Evidence on your phone.
There's no
sir,
evidence on my
I'm
phone for
take
you.
your phone.
No, you won't. You won't. If you touch me or my phone, no, I'm not listening to you. I keep on telling you.
Sir, so
no, you
understand
don't need to get
sir.
close to me. Step away
phone,
and stop
I'm
pointing your
take
finger.
Phone, okay?
No, you won't.
This is not difficult,
no, you won't.
sir.
All right, then. Well, I'll tell you won't take my phone.
You're telling me what, sir?
You won't take my phone.
If I feel there's evidence.
Oh, what evidence?
On your phone.
As what evidence to do what?
I will take
of what crime?
Under the Police and Criminal Evidence Act,
What's
sir.
crime?
It's as simple
It's
as
not. Police and Criminal Act does not allow you to take my phone. You need to articulate a crime.
It does, sir.
When a sergeant threatens to confiscate the auditor's phone under the Evidence Act, he can't even name a crime. And that's where the entire argument collapses. The law only allows seizure when there's a reasonable belief that an item contains evidence of an actual offense. Filming from a public sidewalk, even with police present, doesn't come close to meeting that threshold. What we're seeing here isn't law enforcement, it's intimidation. Waving pace like a weapon, hoping the mention alone will scare the auditor into compliance. But when pressed, what's the crime? There's silence. No theft, no assault, no obstruction. Just authority stretched beyond its legal limits. And here's the truth. Without a defined offense, there's no power to search, seize, or...
Well, you have indicated...
Yeah, go on.
You're alleging that an officer is wearing something they shouldn't, sir.
She is.
Oh, evidence then, sir.
Evidence from me.
Yes,
Yes,
and I will take the evidence from you.
Why? Why?
the
What
Police
crime is it?
Evidence
What
Act.
crime am I doing? Is it a crime to identify a defaced Union flag for police?
If you're saying
What do you
that there
want?
is evidence
What do you
about
want?
your
What?
phone, then we can seize that, can't we, as evidence?
Film yourself.
Pardon?
Film yourself.
I don't need to film myself.
Oh, are you filming me?
Pardon?
Are you filming me?
Yeah.
Have you told me?
You haven't told me you're filming me.
Have you told me?
No.
It's within your policy to state at the first
Policy's
practical,
not law that I
at the
tell you
first practical opportunity to let me know that you are filming me. Okay? And you haven't even done that, have you? You haven't even gone by your policies. That means you're a tyrant.
It's policy that it's not.
You're a
it's not
tyrant.
to do that, is it?
Oh, of course it is. Are you mad? You're supposed to be telling people that you're filming them. You know GDPR? State of protection.
When the auditor challenges the sergeant with one simple question, what's the crime? The response is pure confusion. The officer claims it's about evidence. But evidence of what? Filming a defaced Union flag isn't a criminal act. Yet the sergeant insists he can seize that as evidence. That's not law. That's overreach. Then comes the real twist. When the auditor asks if the officer's filming him, she admits she hasn't even declared it. Policy clearly requires officers to state at the first practical opportunity that recording is underway. Her defense? It's policy, not law. But that policy exists for a reason, to protect public trust and uphold GDPR principles. Ignoring it might not be a crime, but it chips away at accountability and edges dangerously close to a data protection breach.
It's obstructing.
You're currently obstructing the public highway.
No, I'm not.
sir.
I'm walking up and down. So I'm not currently doing anything. You're currently obstructing the public highway. Yeah? You're just trying to you're trying to lie. I think that's called manifest. Yeah, in public office. Yeah, I think so.
Called, sir?
Don't worry about what it's called. Tell me what pace is. Tell me what crime I'm committing. Huh?
Sir, please stop filming me,
Muppet.
sir. Please stop filming.
I will keep on filming you. I'm allowed to film.
He's filming the building. He's filming.
My body one's camera's on.
Officers,
Thank you for telling me your body worn cams. Thank you for upholding your policy.
Yeah.
Hold on a second.
You're right. Sorry.
I don't know what's actually happening.
So he's filming. Just me talk to my colleague.
You can talk as much as you like. It's a public place. Make privacy if you want to. Go on then.
He's filming. Personal cars coming out. filming.
No, I wasn't. No, I wasn't. Stop lying. Stop lying. Stop lying. I wasn't doing
My
that.
colleagues coming in and out in their personal
No,
cars.
he's not coming in and out in his personal car. He was going in and I was filming. I didn't go to him and I didn't film his...
The officer claimed the auditor was filming the sergeant as he stepped in and out of his vehicle. But the footage tells a different story. The car had only just arrived. The auditor stayed firmly on public pavement, fully within his legal right to record. It was the sergeant who chose to engage. By twisting a lawful act into a supposed threat, the officer manufactured suspicion out of thin air to justify further intervention. And the auditor was absolutely right to call out that false narrative.
Off you go. Dismissed. Walk of shame. Off you go. I'm not being rude. I'm telling him. No, I'm not. No, I'm not.
When you're telling
No, I'm
someone
not.
off you go.
Off you go. Dismissed.
excuse me, officer.
Rude is not a crime.
Say, if this gentleman has any footage on his phone of my car's registration number, okay, I fear under the Terrorism Act, unless we prove otherwise, that I'm in danger.
Yeah.
And I want this gentleman to understand that if I feel I'm in danger, he's refused to provide any details of what he's doing here, okay? If I feel that you're trying to identify me personally, sir.
Did you drive up? Did you drive up? Did I come to you? Did I ask you
have
anything?
immediately
Did
started
I
filming.
ask you anything? You stopped your car and you said to me, what am I doing? Who am I? So get in your car and go away. Stop trying to incriminate people and abuse their rules and laws.
Standing before his team, the sergeant invokes the Terrorism Act simply because his car's registration plate was filmed, a claim with absolutely no legal foundation. Number plates visible in public are not protected information, and no court has ever ruled that photographing them constitutes terrorist activity. Section 43 applies only when there is a genuine, evidence-based suspicion of terrorism. Feeling uneasy about being filmed on a public street doesn't even begin to meet that threshold.
She's wearing a defaced Union flag. and she should take it off. That's what she should be doing. You should be telling her to take off, or he, she, them, however she wants to be represented, that she shouldn't be wearing a defaced union flag on her uniform. That muppet, whoever he is, no, I can call him a muppet.
Why?
Because I can.
No one's calling you.
It's not a swear word, is it? Is muppet a swear word? Is muppet a swear word? Is muppet a swear word? I'm asking you. No. So I can call him a muppet, can't I?
What's the purpose of your visit?
Can I call him a muppet? Can I call him a muppet? Is it a swear word? Don't be civil, I'm not your mate, okay? If you want to be civil, go inside, leave me alone, because I'm doing nothing wrong, okay? Off your pop.
What is the purpose of your visit?
It all began when a sergeant falsely accused the auditor of getting in a female officer's way. But the footage tells a very different story. The camera never left the sergeant, and there was no interference whatsoever. It was a classic bait and switch, an attempt to deflect scrutiny. And coming from a senior officer, that's deeply concerning. Next came the claim that he was a security risk for calmly filming officers entering and leaving a public station. But the auditor stood firmly on a public pavement, exactly where the law permits anyone to record. Ironically, the sergeant's own cruiser sat half in the street, doors flung open, causing the very obstruction he was complaining about. Then came the threat, a promise to seize the auditor's phone under the Police and Criminal Evidence Act. Yet when asked what crime had been committed, the sergeant couldn't name one. PACE only allows seizures when there's reasonable suspicion of a specific offense, not because someone filmed in public. Waving legal jargon like a weapon, he hoped to intimidate compliance, but without a valid charge, he had no such power. When the auditor pointed out that officers must declare when they're recording,